Good morning, guys. Next topic, electropneumatic systems. So, electropneumatic system means, see that, guys. First one, we have to introduction some mechanical. Mechanicals mount all of the components securely onto the profile plane. Limit switches may not be activated friendly and danger injury during the troubleshooting. They use a tool of activate the limit switches as the example of the screwdriver. Okay, so only reach into the setup, complete the standard still. So that means mechanical equipments. These mechanical equipments we have to uh, switch limit switches means though these limit switches we have to control in some on and off conditions, we have to design in some on and off conditions. After that on and off conditions, though these on and off condition we have to convert it to some electrical part. Okay, then that means electro means electrical connections must be only stabilized the interrupted in the absence of the voltage. They use the connectors cables with the satisfied plug only if the electrical connections. Low voltage, that means 24 volts DC. 24 volts DC, that is the low voltage interfacings. So see that uh, cable connection means with there was a wire connections or wireless connections. We have to interfacing some wire connections and wireless connection. That is the electrical work. Next, pneumatics. So pneumatics mean do not exceed the maximum permissible pressure of 6 bar. That means 600 kilo per hour. Okay, do not switch on the compressed the air until the trapping connection have been completed and secure. Do not disconnect tubbing will the under the pressure. Okay, that means this is a totally pneumatic total depending upon air pressure. Okay, air pressures. So danger of the accident due to the turbine the slipping off. Use the shortest possible tubing connections. Wear the safety glasses. In the event of the tubing slips off, switch compressor of the air supply off immediately. Pneumatic circuit setup. So this setup has connection to the compressor of the using plastic tubing with an outside diameters of 4 or 6 millimeters. Push the tubing into the push the connector that has fall into the it go. Okay, so that means this size tubing size, what is the size of 4 millimeters to 6 millimeters, that is a pneumatic tube. So these pneumatic circuit we have to designing some methods. Okay, these method, the mounting boards with components equipped with mounting variants A through the D. So these A to D, that means four parts. So first one, variant A, snap in systems. Variant A, snap in systems. So lightweight components that are not load bearing, simply clip the components. Simply clip the components. So that means this is the first step. So lightweight of the components, that means sliply on the components into the slot on the profile plate. Realize the components from the slot by activating the blue layer blue layer. So the blue layer means uh, first one, already we have to discuss in the last class in components of pneumatic and hydraulic. So these component of hydraulics, those we have to interface some A, B, P and T. So some variations of the parts. So these parts we have to using some this one. Okay. Next go for variant B, bolt systems. So bolt systems, the components with the medium load capacity on drivers. Okay, those components are coupled to the profile plate using T head bolts. T head bolts. The blue node nut is used clamping and losing, clamping and losing. So this is also bolt system. So bolt we have to screw either forward or tightly or loose systems. That is a bolt. Next go for variant C, screw systems. Bolt, first one snap, second one bolt, third one screw, fourth one plug. Screw is also same for the components with the high load capacity, and components which are slowed down removed from the profile plate. For example, on and off valve, the filter regulators. Those components are secured with socket head screws and T head bolts. Okay, T head bolts. Bolts we have to sit on screws, they tightly or loosely. Next plug. D is a plug system. Lightweight components with the blocking points that are not load bearing. Those are secured using plug adapters. Plug adapter means plug. That means switch connections. These are also switch connections. Okay. So next, these switch connections we have to some technology module for the electropneumatic. That means TP 200. TP 200, that is the series of the T electro pneumatic 200. This technology packet consists of multitude or training materials and seminars. The subject of the matter entirely focused on the electropneumatic control system. Individual components including the TP200 technology modules can be also included in any of the other modules. Okay, so that means important. See that TP200, one of the technology models. These technology modules we have to some important prevented workstations with Festo diagnostic profile plate. Prevented workstations with Festo diagnostic profile plate. Compressors 230 volts to 0.55 kilowatts, max 8 bar equal 800 kilo per seconds. The equipment sets are individual components, optical training materials and practical training materials modules, and laboratory setup completely laboratory setup. So training documents, see that these are training of the documents. So the training of the documents means first textbooks. So TP 201 basic level, fundamentals of the pneumatic control technologies, maintenance of the pneumatic equipment of the systems, workbooks, basic level and advanced level. Okay, and core server. So set up transformations and overshoot projectors. So magnetic symbols and drawing the templates. So these are the some technologies. So these learning object. Next go for learning objects. So these learning object of the basics pneumatic systems becomes failure with the setup and mode of operations in single active cylinder.
5/2.
Array. Okay, next equipment of symbols. So this equipment of symbols First one, relays. So what is the relay? Relay as a electrical switch. Relay as a electrical switch. That is a three-way relays, and two-way relays or single-way relays, and six-way relays also is there. But these relays we have to interact in between three pins. Okay, that means common pin, next normally open, normally connected. So relay means relay as a electrical switch. Relay as a electrical switch, we have to controlling some AC device or DC devices. So these electrical switch we have to implementations of, see that A1, A2, 11, 21, 31, 41, that is the variable values. So these 11, 21, 31, 41 is the common pin. At the same time, A1 and A2 is the relay. Totally this is a five pin relay, 5 pin relays. So these 5 pin relay we have to interact in between. First one, A1 is a VCC, A2 is a ground. Next 11 is the common pin, 12 is the normally connected, 14 is the normally open. So that is the interfacing through relay. So next one, single input electrical. Single input means like a switch connections. Switch as a electrical switch. Single input means switch as a electrical switch. So these electrical switch, when we are to open, that is the zero condition. When we are to close, that is a one condition. That means logic 0 and logic 1. Okay, that is also single input electrical switch. So they see that 13 is the open circuit, 21, 22 is the closed circuit. That is the switch connection. Next, 5 by 2, that means 5 pins, two-way double sinusoidal values. So these sinusoidal values means, see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is the some connections. So double way or single way, so that means open loop and closed loop. So these connections we have to same 5 by 2, 3 by 2 and 5 by 2 sinusoidal values. So there is a variations of some switches. So next one, proximity switch and electronic switch. So proximity switch and electronic switch means side switches. Side switches means uh, front and back connections. Front and back connection switches. Next, pressure sensors. Pressure sensors is the same. Next, proximity switch optical. That means we have to added some LED. Optical means some LED displays. Next, electrical limit switches. Electrical limit switches means